Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. In the previous lesson I taught you how to play the E minor pentatonic scale. Today I want to teach you how to play the E minor blues pentatonic scale. We're just simply adding one additional note to make the blues sound on that. So let's get started. Okay, that's the sound of the E minor blues pentatonic scale. We're just simply adding this one additional note here, this A sharp or B flat note on the 5th string, 1st fret. So, okay, in the previous lesson, I taught you the E minor pentatonic scale that you can see noted above. Okay, if we look at the E minor blues pentatonic scale, as noted above, it's the exact same scale as the E minor pentatonic. We're just adding one additional note to give it that blues sound there. So you play the open E, 3rd fret, open A on the 5th string, and then we're pressed down on the 1st fret of that A string, and then walk up to the 2nd fret, then open, 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret, open, 3rd fret, and then back down. It's the E minor blues pentatonic scale. Okay, to look at that again. E minor blue pentatonic scale. So it's not a hard scale to learn. So if you like this video, be sure and hit the like button at the end. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel onto your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. Appreciate all my current subscribers. Appreciate you guys joining me today. The next lesson I want to teach you how to play the A minor pentatonic scale. So I'll see you guys later. God bless you. Have a great day.